Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download music on Spotify. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Spotify app. After that, tap on the search icon from the bottom bar. Now, search and open a music that you want to download. For me, I'll tap on this. And after that, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right. Now swipe through the options and check if there are any options to download. And as you can see, there is not. So tap on Add to Playlist. And now tap on New Playlist. You can also cancel it and put it in a previous playlist. So I'll choose an existing playlist. And as you can see, the song has been added to my playlist. Now what you need to do is go to your library. And after that, open the playlist where you added the song. From here, scroll down and tap on More. And as you can see, all the songs on my playlist are here. Now, go back. Here on the left, you'll see an option to download. Tap on it. And here, as you can see, you need Spotify Premium in order to download the songs. You cannot download songs on Spotify with the free version. So tap on Explore Premium. From here, you can see the benefits of joining Premium. And if you scroll down, you will get to see multiple plans you can choose from. So just select the one that you want. And that is how you can download music on Spotify.